Why I get a pillowcase when I get some floss, right?
God.
Like this.
Ah, don't put it now.
Whoops. Okay.
Shut the door because Rubik's Cube out there.
Zach, be quiet. Zach. Be quiet with your Rubik's Cube.
Can't help it.
Stop doing it for a second. Okay.
Done.
Hoi. Kaylee. Take the laptop.
Slump like you're dead.
Like, what? Where?
I don't
Pretend
know.
you're dead.
If you were dead and you fell over.
Okay.
Fool, get away from me.
Just hold still.
You guys are gonna remember all this?
No, that's why we have you. Just hold still and we cut you both open. Oh my god. No, we gotta get out of here.
Oh shoot, that one got me too. Oh my god.
Well, here's
There,
the
now
problem.
you're good, now
At
you're
this
good.
equilibrium, you're not seeing your head, they're not seeing mine. We're just
What's next?
Are you doing a photo shoot today?
No, we're doing a school project.
Are you?
Gucci, man. Guys, come on, my arms are hurting.
I'm trying.
Oh my god.
And after I knocked him out, what does she plan on doing with it?
You like look into the soul of the guy.
Yeah. Yeah, no. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, Nikki, get rid of your script.
Here, just let me put it down for something.
Inside the hospital being checked. She can't have visitors until tomorrow and will be released in a couple of days. Okay.
That was a lot.
Do it one more time.
At Owen Hydrick's house? I thought it Owen Wilson.
Oh, yeah. Owen Wilson's house.
At Owen Wilson's house?
Wow.
Owen Wilson's house.
I thought so.
Boy, what?
Gosh.
We're gonna low battery. You say I.
Don't tell her we filmed this and just let her see it when she edits. Love you, you little midget.
Parkville PD, I need this door.
Yeah.
Parkville PD, I need this door opened up now.
Unfocused. I thought you said.
Oh my god.
I thought you said I need to throw up right now. Oh my god.
Let me see where I want it. Yeah.
So now it's recording. I didn't mean to zoom it in. I meant to zoom it out. That was so funny. I just turned my face like. Always go east. Brad has looked down the entire time.
Where
The entire time.
This like shows so many cuts. It's like a chopping board.
Get off the car!
You guys film your
We need to film this. We need to film.
Take y'all in the town, fill her up, and then. Yeah! And then bring you back.
That's okay.
Well, I'm.
You don't need to know that. That's so weird. Do not I stuck my whole pinky in his mouth.
Okay, just
Hold on, my fake mustache is coming off.
you don't need it right now. Go.
Okay, go. Well, you just don't need to know. I'm sorry.
Jonathan, drive a little faster when
How about that? It's
Bradley.
so where are you guys from? We're a little town here. I haven't seen you around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you guys from? Bradley.
About.
Nope, do it again.
Johnny, come on, my dude.
Just about.
Do it again. Put it back there and rub
it, don't pat it.
Not
Can't read.
okay. Do not go right. Do not go fast.
You know it's hard, cause look, this is all I got.
Just about. Just about.
3. I was gonna say, and I was like, okay. Okay.
Okay, look, just about.
3, 2. Oh my god. You gotta say just about. Okay.
Oh no! Get out!
I saw Johnny pull it.
Oh my god, he's gonna hit something.
Oh my!
Johnny! Oh.
Jesus! His mirror! His
I wasn't. Stay. Oh God.
That doesn't matter anymore. But why did you tell me you killed Liza and Carter?
I like the way he looked at me.
Okay.
Skirt. What's happening? That's not loud enough. I feel like
Your voice is so muffled.
No swimming. Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Hey guys. Liza's in the store. We just
And I found a book.
moves like a feather. Where and why does he just have a shark head?
We're filming, boy.
Where did he get a shark head?
I don't know.
Speak.
Where did you get a shark head?
I bought it.
Oh my god, Bradley.
I know how we'll get her. Sorry.
Probably something cool to say.
Bradley. I'm laying in dirt. Can you hurry it up?
I've been laying this whole time.
Let me explain everything.
Bradley, why? Where did you even get the gun?
Sure, you hit that like button and smash the subscribe button. Let's try to get to 10,000 likes, guys. Come on. Can we do it?
Life is up here, but you comment below. And the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though